up? It's the REI Success Maker, Marcel Umphrey, about to educate you on this house flipping game. Listen, I ain't no rapper, but I wrote you a little rhyme and it go a little something like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
The 10 house flipping commandments. What? They can't tell me nothing about these vacant houses. Nope. Can't tell me nothing about this wholesaling, house flipping. To my house hustling brothers, the newbies on them forms, I ain't forget you, my double closed peoples. What's up?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I've been in this game for years. It made me an animal. It's rules to the flip. I wrote you a manual, a step-by-step booklet for you to get your funds on track, not your credit pushback. Rule nombre uno, never let no one know how much your contracts flow, cause you know the cheddar breeds jealousy, especially if the buyer gets hit. See your profits slip. Number 2, never let them know your next move. Don't you know great investors move in silence, not violence? Take it from your highness, I done closed mad deals in this house flipping field. Number 3, never trust nobody. They just trying to climb up, suited and tied up, properly gassed up for that fast buck. They be sitting at the bank, trying to crack top. Number 4, know you heard this before. Never count on a deal less it's signed and sealed. Number 5, never count your coins till it's signed. The contract can say about $1 million, no deal. Number 6, trying to close with credit, get it. Show up at the table, no funds, forget it. Number 7, this rule is so underrated. Keep your assets and business completely separated. Bad tenants and landlords don't mix. Like a bank account with no chips, you better dip. Number 8, better keep contracts on you at appointments. Make sure you close sellers too. Number 9 should have been number 1 to me. If you doing bandit signs, stay away from police. If they catch you slipping, they ain't trying to listen. They gonna hit you with them fines, trying to stop your chick. Number 10, a strong word called assignment. Strictly for live men that's ready to lock in. Gotta get the buyers, can't take a L, bro. Gotta close them deals, rain, sleet, hail, snow. Follow these rules, you'll have mad bread to break up. If not, you blow up your spot and take a pay cut. Pink slip, hit your inbox, your life shake up. You and your spouse break up, like how you mess that cake up. Just close a big deal, my real estate is way up. Gotta go, got more deals to bake up.